Kasi marami pong nag-ano, Madam, where are you from? Where are you doing? I love this thing. Waalaikumsalam, Madam. Happy Kulbi, Mashallah. Assalamualaikum, Shaikh. Rana, how are you? Very beautiful. Thank you so much. Come to here. Marian, Ben. Surinda. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Napagod ako sa mall. Looking like chat video, mashallah. Thank you so much. Hello, Maryam, Muhammad. Hello, Haram. What's Haram? Mashallah, Haram. Love you. Be positive, Habibi. Be positive. Ya Allah, be positive. Assalamualaikum Ali Ahmad. Waalaikumsalam Ali Muhammad. Kefek kullu demam kwais. Mashallah. How are you? Alhamdulillah Habibi. Rani. Mashallah. Abdul hi. 2% can reply. Maryam. Thank you for Maryam Ben and Muhammad. Too much people they said why your inbox is closed. Why inbox is closed? Only for my followers. Okay, if you are my followers, you can send me a message. But if you are not my followers, you cannot send the message. Okay? They said why the message, the inbox is closed. There are almost people they said close because you are not my followers. Only my followers to open my inbox. Okay? I put this private for only my followers my message. I'm so sorry guys kung hindi kayo ang followers ko, hindi kayo makasend ng you look so very beautiful. Thank you so much MD Kubal. I will reply inshallah if mates open my comment. Is closed. Okay, is closed the comment because I'm restrict. Morning I replying all the people, all my followers, and stop kalang the mates. They close and restrict. I'm so sorry guys. Inshallah, they can open inshallah. Okay. We like Dome comment. Thank you. Thank you so much. You know, the TikTok, they love me to dance. Almost people, they say dance. No, I cannot dance too much. If I dance slowly, okay. Hi, beautiful. How are you? Fine. Alhamdulillah. Jaid. Alhamdulillah, Habibi. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much. Kul hibik patu. Mashallah. Hello, Rahim. Jahid, I'm followers. Yours. Thank you so much. Any online ka, Ati Ho. Madam, I have been following you. Yes, inshallah. You can send, if you send the message, you can send, okay, if you're my followers. But if not your followers, you cannot send anything in inbox because they are private, only my followers, okay? We are from Jeddah. Alhamdulillah. Tapan na, Banya. Kantika. I don't know what I said, Banya. Another Bahut Pin. Hi, good night. Good night everyone. Good night everyone.